was able to get this decked drawer system used on Marketplace, and I've got a first generation Tundra. It's a 2006 double cab. They don't actually make one for these Tundras. However, you can modify with some cutting and some finagling. You can modify a F250 decked drawer system and make it work. This is for the short bed 250. It's a 6'9", but it does fit in the Tundra quite nicely. Gotta love these full drawer slides here, and really nice storage. Makes for a good sleeping platform. I've got not a lot of stuff in right here, but got my camp chairs and my hammock. Got to get some more of the boxes here. Here's some details of the cutting. I was able to keep the ammo boxes intact. Now this was damaged when I got it. I didn't do too much of this additional damage, but you can see kind of where that cut is to make it fit the line there. And I just use an oscillating tool, and I cut down following the proximate area of the bed. This was already cut, so I didn't have to cut this. I think the guy had it in a F-150, but it does fit in there nice. We can see kind of the same thing over here, or just cut using the oscillating tool all the way down the edge, and it fits in there really nice and sturdy. And I've got a decent amount of headroom here.